Before going through informative animation, I am excited to inform you that YouTube now automatically dubs this video into several major languages. Just turn on your preferred language in the settings and enjoy the full experience in your native tongue. A crime scene is any place where crime has happened. It could be a house, a street, a shop, a park, or even a car. It is the place where investigators must start to find out what really happened. Every small detail at a crime scene is important. Even one tiny clue can solve the whole case. Who investigates the crime scene? The people who work at a crime scene are called crime scene investigators. They are trained to look for clues, collect evidence, and understand what happened. They work with police officers, detectives, and forensic scientists. Together, they try to solve the mystery. What is evidence? Evidence is anything that helps to solve a crime. It could be something you can see, touch, or test in a lab. For example, a fingerprint on a door, a hair on a pillow, a footprint in the mud, a broken window, or even a blood stain. Even a mobile phone or a video camera can provide evidence. What happens first at a crime scene? The first step is to secure the scene. This means no one is allowed to enter or touch anything. Only the investigators can go inside. Why is this important? Because if someone walks in, they might move or damage the clues. Preserving the crime scene is the most important first step. Next, investigators take photos of the scene. They photograph everything exactly as it is. They also make notes about what they see. They write down the time, location, weather, and anything else that seems important. This helps them remember every detail later. Now, they start collecting the evidence. They wear gloves, so they don't leave their own fingerprints. They use tools like tweezers, brushes, and plastic bags. Every item is placed in its own container, labeled carefully, and sealed. Each piece of evidence must be kept safe, so it can be tested later. After collecting the evidence, it is sent to a forensic lab. In the lab, scientists test the samples. They might check blood samples to find DNA, hair or fibers to see where they came from, liquids to test for drugs or poisons, or pieces of a weapon to match with the injury. They use microscopes, chemicals, and machines to study the clues very carefully. Fingerprints and DNA are crucial clues in investigations. Fingerprints are one of the most useful clues. No two people have the same fingerprints. Not even twins. DNA is another strong clue. It is like a code inside every cell of your body. It is unique to you. If the DNA at the crime scene matches someone's DNA, it helps prove they were there. Putting the clues together. Once all the evidence is collected and tested, the investigators start putting the puzzle together. They ask, what happened here? Who had a reason to commit the crime? When did it happen? What does the evidence tell us? They talk to witnesses, interview suspects, and share their findings with the police. If everything matches, the suspect may be arrested. Then the case goes to court, where a judge and jury decide what happens next. Why is crime scene investigation important? Crime scene investigation is very important because it helps to find the truth. It gives justice to the victims and their families. It helps punish the real criminals and protect the innocent. Thanks to science and careful investigation, crimes that seem impossible to solve can be solved. Even years later, some old cases are reopened and solved using modern forensic technology. So, now you know what crime scene investigation is all about. It is a mix of science, observation, and logical thinking. It takes time, patience, and teamwork. Next time you watch a detective movie or crime show, remember, in real life, solving a crime needs more than just luck. It needs science, skill, and sharp thinking. Thank you for watching, and stay in touch for more informative, educational content.